and all my dear batchmates. This is Vaibhavi in front of you. First of all, I would like to say thanks to sir that he gave me an opportunity to stand on the podium and express my views in front of you. Today I am very happy to be sharing you something about my topic. My topic is child labor. Life of little ones are destroyed when child labor is employed. So, child labor refers to the employment of children in any work that they deprives of their ability to be attend regular schools and that is very harmful and dangerous for them. In villages, it's a common sight to see that children of poor families are working in fields or elsewhere to contribute to their family. In India, some places are there at Bihar, Rajasthan, and so on. It's time to consign child labor to the history book and to allow all the children to realize their rights. Building builds on big lands and work is done by tiny hands. Stop child labor. Thank you.
सिर्फ 90 घंटों में सीखिए धारा प्रवाह अंग्रेजी बोलना।
इंटरनेशनल फाउंडेशन कोर्स और एडवांस कोर्स के लिए बेस्ट अमेरिकन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज। कॉल 9425351988।